Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I'd like to welcome to our January new products video. Our first new products from Carpenter Industries are these turn signal bases. These are for the front park lights on the 69 to 77 Ford Bronco. Ford originally made these in a gray rubber. They deteriorate. We have those in the gray rubber, and we also have black polyurethane and red polyurethane. This is nice. This is black rubber, true rubber. So when you detail your truck, a little armor on this will keep them good forever. Again, replacement turn signal bases for the 69 to 77 Ford Bronco. And our next new product is this transfer case bezel. This is for the 73 to 79 F-Series Ford pickup, four-wheel drive, and this will also work for the 78, 79 Bronco. So if you have a mat or carpeting in your Bronco where your four-wheel drive shifter is, you cut the hole in the carpeting, this goes over the hole, and you bend these nice tabs down, and you got a nice finish when you're done. Again, this is a transfer case shifter boot bezel, 73 to 79 Ford pickup, 78.9 Bronco. Beautiful piece, stainless steel, ready to go. And our next new product is this windshield wiper motor. This is from Carpenter Industries. This is for the 67 to 79 Ford F-Series pickup and 78, 79 Bronco. Before there was no new ones available. They rebuilt the used ones. They don't do that anymore, so basically we're out of luck. But Carpenter came up with this product. It's a brand new wiper motor. Comes with the plug end, the adapter to bolt it to the housing bracket. Comes with the wiring harness, all the mounting hardware, and even gives you the arm for the linkage. Again, brand new replacement windshield wiper motor for the 67 to 79 F-Series pickup, 78.9 Bronco. And our next new product are these Grille letters. This is for the 66 to 77 Ford Bronco. It's got a satin black finish on the outside, a nice shiny black insert in the middle. The FORD comes with the mounting nuts, so you can either put it on a truck, replace some, easy to go. Again, brand new Grille letters, black satin with the inlay for the 66 to 77 Ford Bronco. And for our January web truck of the month, we have Isaac Freilink's beautiful 1974 Bronco Ranger. It's given to him by his grandfather. He's the next generation of Bronco lovers. Thank you for your support. Hope to see you again next month. I hope everybody had a great Christmas, and I hope everybody a Happy New Year.
What year is your Bronco?
1974.
And where did you get the Bronco?
My grandpa. Oh, as a birthday present when I was 3 years old.
Wow. So, what did you help do to the Bronco? Anything?
Yeah, most of it. I helped do the suspension, just do the dome light inside, just little things. The brakes, the buckles.
Okay.
Just little things.
Who gets to drive the Bronco?
My dad, but at my grandpa's I get to drive it.
Yeah? Out on the farm or something?
Well, he's got woods, so we drive him around there, so
Okay.
it's fun.
What can you tell me about your Bronco that I don't know about it?
It's a Ranger package, and it's.
What about your mom? Does she like it?
Yeah.
She does?
Uh-huh.
Okay. That's good to know.
Mm-hmm.
What all did you do to it this winter?
We put a lift on it, bigger tires, and different rims.
Okay.
So,
Headers,
yeah.
intake.
Now, why do you like Broncos?
They've been in my family, and they're cool, and they're little.
Yeah.
They're just cool.